na ba yun? Asa na ba yun? Hi everyone! My name is Kim.
Oh, sorry. ulit. Awesome.
I still remember when we were applying the program. So there's 2 requirements they needed. It was 2 hours. Hi everyone, my name is Kim.
And I'm Raz.
Welcome to
Chris Casey's channel.
So as many of you guys know already, we just got accepted in YouTube program partnership. I still remember when we were applying the program, reading those 2 requirements they needed. It was 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months.
Like, how in the earth we're gonna do that?
It was crazy. It's like thinking about it. How are you gonna get that?
1,000 subscribers? Do you know thousands of people?
We did a little math. So we're gonna need the
30 hours in a day to get that 4,000 watch hours in a year. So 30 hours in a day. Like how many hours do we have in a day? Only 24 hours. Like how are you gonna do 30 hours in a day?
So we ask our families, friends, relatives, and acquaintances to support us. Who, by the way, were excited for us. Because we're not famous. We're just commoners. Because basically, we needed a word of mouth. And thank goodness it happened.
Yay!
After a while, we met some awesome people in YT world.
Awesome people, really awesome people.
Who became our friends, who gladly helped us to achieve this task.
Only in 4 months we got monetized.
4 months. So
4
we
months.
got that, what?
4 months without sleeping?
Chill. This is our way of showing our gratitude to you guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang lumuha.
Big shout out to No Copyright Music Archive for being a mentor and for guiding us step by step to make our channel grow.
Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi dahil iyong
And big shout out to We Grow as One family in YT World. Thank you so much for helping us.
salamat. Sana iyong marinig tibok ng damdamin.
Also, mega shout out to my cousin Lay01 for introducing us to YT World.
At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Someone has stranger to my eyes, calling for pain.
Because we didn't know that it's gonna be this much fun making videos and talking to you guys. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of our hearts.
And we hope that you don't get tired of supporting us.
So again, thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Till next time. Till next video.
See ya. Bye.
Maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Sa
Mega shout out.
Hurry up.